Hey guys, so if you're watching this, you've purchased the product from Innofirm. I'm Earl and I'm going to show you how to set up your coffee table and nesting tables so that you don't damage it and it looks amazing like it's intended to. So first of all, what you want to do, once you've got your coffee table and nesting tables, is you want to find an area that's big enough where you can lay down a mat or something that you can place your coffee table on so that you don't damage the working top. Okay? Okay, so step one of your assembly process, like you can see, I've laid down my components. I have my coffee table top and 4 of the uprights for the leg sections. Also included in your package would be a rubber mallet, which you'd need for the assembly process. I'll be starting off with inserting your uprights for your legs. So what you want to do is insert your upright over the tab sticking out and give it a tap. The next thing you want to do is take your bottom frame and place the same tabs that's protruding into your legs. You're going to need to line it up. Press them down to secure them. Once they're aligned, you can start tapping them in. Make sure when tapping them in that you try and do it as evenly as possible. Once you've completed, check that there are no gaps. And that completes your installation. As you can see, I've knocked the legs flush with the connector. So ensure once installing that there are no gaps.